Hello my dear friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful paper quilling daffodil flowers along with the filler flowers and Easter egg for the Easter festival. So I will share each and every step of how to make the background, how to make these quilling pieces with step-by-step instructions. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with making the daffodil flower. So here I'm taking half strip of white color in 3 mm and making one leaf shape. Then I'm taking half strip of white color in 3 mm again and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more already. Then I'm taking 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly, we need one more in smaller size. So in total we need 5 petals to create one single petal. Now I am combining all 5 petals together, starting with the bigger one, and then on both sides I will add smaller one and wrapping this whole petal using white color strip. So the beautiful petal is ready. Then I am joining total 6 petals together to create the flower. Like this. Now to create center of the flower, here I am taking 2 strips of golden yellow color in 3 mm and making one dome shape. Add glue inside the dome, spread it with brush and allow it to dry. Then we just need to pinch the dome in 6 to 7 points using tweezer and give it a curved pattern on the edge. So it should look like this and the centerpiece is ready. Now to add the inner pollens inside this, here I have created this small fringe strip using 5 mm strip, and we just need to create a small fringe flower using this. Open all the fringes and sticking this inside our yellow color dome. So the center is ready and I'm just sticking it exactly on top of the flower and the beautiful flower is ready. Now I'm doing little bit of shading work from the center towards the outer side using light yellow color. Just using little bit of water and spreading the color to give nice natural look. And the gorgeous daffodil flower is ready. With the same method I have prepared one more flower already. Now I am starting with making the iris crocus flower, and here I am taking 1 strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making one long teardrop shape. Add glue on top of this petal and hold it for a few seconds. Then I am taking half strip of sap green color in 3mm and making one cone shape. Passing one wire pollen through the cone and add glue inside this cone shape. Then I have prepared total 4 petals for my crocus flower. So I am sticking it inside this cone like this. So in this way you can create 3-dimensional flower. Now to add center in the flower, I am taking small 10mm yellow color strip, just creating fringe like this and making a small fringe flower as the pollen. Opening all the fringes and sticking this cute small flower inside our crocus flower. And this is completely ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more yellow and 2 purple color flowers. Usually these wildflowers comes in yellow and purple shades in spring. Now to create egg, here I am taking 5 by 7 cm rough paper, folding this into half. I have created half egg shape like this. Now cutting both the layers together so that we will get the egg template. Like this. Perfect. Now I am tracing the shape on top of peach color cardstock and cutting the egg shape again. So the base for our egg design is ready. Then to add little border around this egg, I am adding glue and sticking peach color 3mm strip around this shape. And I am adding total 2 strips here. So this is done. Now to fill the egg with the quilling design, here I am taking 2mm peach color strip and just creating beehive coils like this. Just make a coil, remove the tool by leaving little gap, again make a coil, leave a tool, and in this way we have to complete the coils till the end and you will get beautiful beehive design. So I have already prepared lots of beehive. Now we have to fill the egg with these beautiful designs. So adding glue, spread it nicely evenly with the brush and start filling the pattern of egg using beehive designs. So after adding all the coils, it should look like this. So pretty. Then it's time to create the leaves. So here I'm taking half strip of sap green color and creating one long bended leaf shape Similarly, I have prepared one more, so joining both the petals together and wrapping this whole petal using dark green color strip. So the leaf is ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves using half strips and 1/4 strips. Then to create small scroll, here I am taking 1/8 strip of sap green color. I am adding 4 strips, and then on top of this I am adding 4 dark sap green color strips. Now from the tip, start rotating it using pointed tweezer. Just pull all the strip little bit to have nice texture on the scroll, cutting the excess strip from bottom. Secure the end using glue and the beautiful scroll is ready. With the same method we need some more scrolls. So few I have created using 1/8 strip and few I have created using 1/4 strips. Then to make small filler flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of off-white color in 2 mm, making one teardrop shape. Just joining total 5 petals together, and in the center I am adding yellow colored circle which is made using hole punch machine. So this is done. Similarly, I have prepared some more filler flowers. Now to create card base, here I am taking white cardstock which is 26 by 16 centimeter. I have just folded this into half, burnish it nicely. Then on top of this I am adding purple color paper which measures 12.5 by 15.5 centimeters. Burnish it nicely from all the sides. And then on top of this I am adding white color cardstock again which measures 12 by 15 centimeters. But before sticking the white cardstock, I am just doing little stencil work on this. So here I am taking Wild Honey Distress ink and using this beautiful floral stencil, starting from the center, and we have to create pattern all over the base. So in short, here I am taking my own pattern paper. The spring season is here coming soon, so I have to add lots of flowers to my base. That's why here I am using flower stencil, but if you have floral pattern paper already, you can directly use that. And now in 4 corners I am just applying little bit of ink, then adding some water splashes here and there, soaking with tissue paper to give nice effect. And the beautiful floral handmade paper is ready. Then I am sticking it on top of my card base. Then it's time to arrange our all quilling designs. So I'm starting with the egg, and then I'll start arranging all my flowers, leaves and fillers. like this, so pretty. Then at the end I am adding the sentiment Happy Easter in one corner, which is handwritten using brush pen. And the beautiful and super gorgeous Easter card is ready, which is full of all spring flowers, and you can of course write the special message inside the card. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.